Need a non-alcoholic punch recipe for Thanksgiving? I've got the perfect Thanksgiving punch for you to add to your list of favorite non-alcoholic holiday punch recipes. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and today I got a Thanksgiving punch, mocktail of course, for you to add to your list of favorite Thanksgiving dinner recipes. Now, if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best advice on all things bartending and cocktail, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here. Don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now, if you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you know that I'm going to make sure that my Thanksgiving mocktails are not only easy mocktails to make at home, but I'm going to make sure that these are not boring, non-alcoholic drink recipes. Now, once you're done checking out this video, if you're still looking for some more Thanksgiving drink recipes, you can check out these videos right here for some more easy Thanksgiving cocktails and some more great punch cocktail recipes. Now for this one, all you're going to do is grab your shaker with some ice in it and go ahead and add 2 ounces of cranberry juice, 1/4 ounce of thyme and ginger infused syrup. And if you're looking for some easy ways to do spirit infusions or flavored syrups or things like that, you can check out these videos right here where we break down all that information for you. Next, you're going to add 1/4 ounce of lemon juice to your shaker. Go ahead and give it a nice shake. Once that's done, strain that into your Collins glass with some more crushed ice, and then you're going to go ahead and top that off with about 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling water. Give it a nice gentle stir, and then you're ready to serve it to your guests. By the way, I'd love to know if you have any preferred non-alcoholic Thanksgiving drinks that you like to serve on the big day. Go ahead and drop it in the comments below so we can add it to our list of preferred non-alcoholic punch or non-alcoholic cocktail recipes. Of course, if you're looking to make a big batch of this stuff, don't forget to check out this video right here. We'll show you how to convert any recipe into an easy punch for a party. Now, if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and download our free PDF training, the Barprints cheat sheet, help you go from a novice to a pro in just under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, go ahead and hit the like button, share it with your friends. Helps the channel out way more than you know. Also, if you're looking for some more great videos, great advice on bartending, you can check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.